G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the VZ SS Ute. Now we're going to be working on the other end of the car. We're going to be doing the front bearings and the top of the struts. Something that we noticed failed when doing the quick little engine detail we did. So let's get into that and get this thing out of the shed. See the big tear starting to form around it?
Eventually that center will push out. When looking at new bearings, they'll have a curved section on top that'll go in towards your mount, and this shorter section here, it'll be flat, and that'll be facing away from the mount, and it'll sit flush on your spring hat.
So there you have it, guys. We've got the new bearings in the top of the struts, which has changed the car a lot after taking it for a quick drive. From back in the video, you can see the difference in the old versus the new, and it's just changed the front end of this car massively, really. It's a cheap, quick little fix that anyone can do with a real little bit of mechanical knowledge. Just remember to exercise that little bit of caution when doing the stuff with the spring. Just make sure you've got the proper compressors to just hold them springs in place. No one wants a spring letting go. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's all about making this channel grow so that we can do more exciting stuff with the cars. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.